Yo everyone, it is Crush the Developer back with another awesome tutorial for y'all. In this video, we are going to learn how to auto-scale our GUIs in Roblox Studio so it can fit in any device. Now, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing because I post awesome tutorials and you'll get those tutorials straight into your inbox if you subscribe. And it also helps me as well since I can grow my channel. So it's a win-win. And by the way, we're almost at 100 subscribers, so that would the sub would also help. So yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and get started. So we'll go ahead and add a screen GUI and then add a frame. If you already have a frame and stuff, actually, hold on, let me add a screen GUI. I'll drag that in here, and there you go, you got a frame. So there are two ways to do this. So the first way is basically going into the properties, and what you would do is you would go ahead and enter in, I'll go ahead and delete this, I'll set this to 0, right? So there are 4 values here, okay? So these two right here that are in the beginning, these 2 zeros, the first 2 zeros right here, these are scale values. And right here, these are offset values. So if we go look at here, we have X and Y, but we get 2 values for each coordinate. One of them is scale and one of them is offset. Scale is based on the resolution. So basically, if I go into test, I'll click on device. I can emulate any device I like. So if I did iPhone 4S, so the resolution is 480, 320 pixels. So basically what you would do is, you would basically go ahead and go to the properties. You would basically go inside the scale, basically type in like 0.1 or something, right? And it would do something like this, and you do the same thing to the Y, and then you can just resize it however you like, and you got yourself an auto scale GUI. So if I go ahead and click device and stuff, I'll click iPhone 4S, it'll do all that stuff. Oh, and by the way, make sure you remove the offset values, so make them 0, because they will affect that. So I'll put these to 0, and I'll put this one to 0. Yeah, you got yourself an auto scale GUI. But this is very time consuming, and what if you already have a highly detailed GUI with tons of GUI objects inside? You don't want to ruin all that work, don't you? That's why somebody made this plugin called Autoscale Lite. I recommend you use it. I'll put this in the description below. Basically, Autoscale Lite automatically converts your frame into scale values. So I can just resize. Let me delete this. I can go ahead and add a frame. I can go ahead and resize however I like. Or I'll do this. I'll do it like this. I'll click on frame. As you can see, only X values are existent here. So if I go to plugins, I'll click unit conversion, and right here you have this window. I'm going to move it out. No, I'm not gonna put it there. I'm just gonna leave right here, and I'm gonna resize it here. So you have 4 options. So for the position, you have something called scale, and then offset. So right here, we click on scale, any selected GUI object will convert into the scale position. So I already have it for some reason. So if I click offset with this frame selected, watch what's going to happen. The scale values are gone, and the offset values are back into position. And if I went and clicked on scale, as you can see, the offset positions are gone, and we have our scale positions. And nothing has changed here. And the same thing applies for size. So if I click scale, as you can see, we have our offset values gone with our scale values. And then we click on offset, we have our scale values gone and our offset values back. And if I just use any device, right? See, on offset, it won't work. But if I were to use scale, like this, I'll click on scale. As you can see, I'll click on iPhone 4S. As you can see, on any device, it is automatically scaled to fit the device. And that's on how to auto-scale your GUIs in Roblox Studio. I hope this video helped you. Make sure to like this video and leave a comment down below. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel. We are almost at 100 subscribers, so I recommend you do it. It's a win-win. Alright, have a great day, y'all.